Hey, everyone. Welcome to Seigneurens Studio. I'm JB.
And I'm Lucy. Today, we'll dive into the wisdom of Proverbs chapter 6 and discover how it can help us make better choices in life. Ready? Let's go.
The chapter begins with a warning about becoming surety for a friend. In simpler terms, it advises us to be cautious about making promises or guarantees on behalf of others.
Right, JB. It's important to be careful with our words and actions. Otherwise, we might end up in trouble that's not even our fault. Moving on to verses 6 to 11, we can learn a valuable lesson from the humble ant. Ants work hard and prepare for the future without needing someone to tell them what to do.
That's a great reminder for us to be diligent and responsible. Procrastination and laziness can lead to poverty and want. So let's work hard and make the most of our time. Now, let's talk about verses 12 to 15, which describe a naughty and wicked person who causes trouble and strife. It's clear that this kind of behavior leads to disaster.
Exactly, JB. It's essential to be mindful of our actions and words, making sure we're not causing harm or discord among others. Let's strive to be peacemakers instead. In verses 16 to 19, we find a list of 7 things the Lord hates. They include a proud look, a lying tongue, hands that shed innocent blood, and more.
These verses remind us to avoid such behaviors and strive for honesty, humility, and kindness in our lives. By doing so, we'll not only please God but also create a positive environment around us. Verses 20 to 23 encourage us to follow our parents' teachings and not to forget the wisdom they've imparted to us.
That's right. When we honor and apply their wisdom, it guides and protects us throughout our lives. It's like a light that helps us navigate through the darkness. The final verses of Proverbs chapter 6 warn us about the dangers of lust and adultery. It's crucial to resist temptation and stay true to our morals and values.
Absolutely, Lucy. Giving in to temptation can lead to painful consequences, not just for ourselves but also for those around us. Let's be mindful of our actions and strive to live a life of integrity. So there you have it, folks. Proverbs chapter 6 offers timeless wisdom that can help us make better choices and live a more fulfilling life.
We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of Proverbs chapter 6 and that it encourages you to reflect on your actions and choices.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Seigneurens Studio for more amazing content. Also, follow us on our social media channels to stay updated with our latest videos.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Remember, wisdom is the key to a successful and fulfilling life. Keep seeking it, and you'll find it.
Until next time, take care and stay wise.